How to replace a Relax the Back Hale Premier ZG Recliner outer side cover. You will need a flathead screwdriver to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, unplug the chair. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry the outer side cover off the chair. Disconnect the white connector from the side cover and the smaller black connectors, then remove the side panel from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Connect the two armrest connectors to the corresponding connectors from the side panel. Align the three side cover posts with the corresponding sockets on the chair, then push firmly on the side cover to snap it into place. Finally, plug in the chair, and you're done.